Hey guys, Dr. Yobi here. Wanted to quickly walk you through how to create a new virtual machine using VMware Workstation Pro. So I've already installed VMware on my machine. So I'm going to open the application. I'm using Windows 10 in this video. Okay. And then I want to go to the Home tab. I want to create a new virtual machine. And I'm using version 16. I can go with the typical. I'm not going to go into all the custom options and different networking options. I'm just going to get you up and running in this video. Alright, and then if you have a physical disk, you can install from this way. I usually like to select an ISO file, and that'll be something you can download from the Azure DevTools for Teaching if you're going for a Windows 10 or maybe a Windows 11 VM, or if you're looking for a Linux VM. There's several different places out there to get your Linux distributions. Alright, so I need to locate an area where I have ISO files. So I think I have some here, and let's see if I have a. So I'll just go with, this is a really old Ubuntu, version 12.10, or I have a Linux Mint. We'll go with this old version of Ubuntu, but you do the same process regardless of what your operating system is. Select Open. It will try to detect what operating system it is. You give it a name. Let's see. So that it didn't pick a name tells me that this version 16 of VMware Workstation Pro means it probably doesn't recognize what it is at this point. Alright, so I need a username and a password. Oh, okay, it does recognize that. Where do we want to store this? So again, these things can grow. I'm trying to remember where I was storing my VMs. Hopefully I have enough space on that drive. The drive's getting a little full. Okay, I select where I want to save it. Click Next. Disk capacity. This is the size that it can grow to. So even though I'm limited on capacity on the drive I just saved it to, this will still be fine. Alright, customize hardware. I like to bump up the RAM. Again, I don't want to get too much into the details, just so it will run faster. Thankfully, I have around 32 gigs in my host machine. Alright, I'll select Finish. And now we've gotten to the point where our VM is almost created. Now it's booting, and I need to. It's booting as if there was a CD in a regular computer, and we need to still go through the actual install process. But right now the configuration is all there, and it'll load, and we can go through and finish the configuration process, and after we finish that we will have our virtual machine. Okay, it's still going through the install process. This part will take just a few minutes. Okay, so now it is finished, and so click back into my VM, type in my password, and now I have my virtual machine, and I believe it's ready to go.